Hi, I'm Jane. This is my story about the hiking poles that made my 10th trip to the Grand Canyon, hiking from the South Rim to Phantom Ranch and back up again, possible. These are my Montem poles. I bought them to take on this specific trip, and I chose them because they had several features that were important to me, and in addition, I found them recommended by people on Facebook threads regarding hiking poles. Facebook discussions that had nothing to do with specific brands, but rather to do with recommendations of hikers to other hikers. I chose these poles because they did have good recommendations, but in addition, the specific features that were important to me included the lightweight cork-shaped handholds at the top, secure straps, and most important, if you're going to hike on any kind of a rocky surface, these rubber tips that can be added on to the order and placed on the bottom of the pole. Those rubber tips made it possible for me to hike down the South Kaibab Trail and back up the Bright Angel Trail 2 days later with a great story to tell and a sense of accomplishment that was impossible to achieve without sturdy, comfortable for the hands, really effective rubber tips on the surfaces, hiking poles. I highly recommend the Montems. So that's my story. It's only part of my story because I did the hike 3 months after being discharged from the hospital from chemotherapy treatment for cancer, which I no longer have. So thank you, Montem, and thanks, yellow hiking poles.